Hey guys, Rovo back with another video. And so I actually want to show you the AI coding tool that is in beta right now. Now the prerequisite for this is for you to actually have a code repository. This could be Bitbucket, or it could be GitHub, GitLab, whichever code repository tool you're actually using. And when I click on one of my issues in here, below the reporter, I get this use AI coding tool. I'm going to copy and paste the repository in here. Description, and this is the issue description that I indeed have. So add detail to your description for better results, and it's saying better context improves plan accuracy and the code quality. And if you try to actually recognize this this icon right here, it really represents the Rovo, the development agent. Description. Now it's saying notifications upgrade for platform links. It's not gonna give a lot of the context. HTML. So it's saying pass the files that you know that need to be updated for this work, which I actually don't have yet. I didn't define the path to it just yet, but I have added the repository URL in here. It's gonna spin up the secure environment. If you want, you can actually close this activity. It doesn't actually have to be open for you there, but you can just keep it there for just in case you actually want to see how everything is working. So the left panel in here is represented for the activity. The right panel in here is represented for generating the code. Now the question is the coders and everything else? The answer is going to be no. It did the cloning of the repository into the secure environment. Then what it did is it actually created a branch here. So the branch was definitely being created in here, a new branch. I'm just interested in that. And as we can see, it indeed was generated. Then it was generating a code, and the initial analysis, understanding the workspace and the requirements. So it sends a request, an upgrade to notification for platform links using JavaScript and an HTML. However, it says basically it's empty. So this suggests that we need to create a basic structure, which is actually pretty interesting. So it actually knows that you need to create a basic structure because it didn't have any more. Implement JavaScript code for handling notifications. That's pretty interesting because HTML and CSS cannot really handle the notifications. Create HTML markup for displaying notifications. Interesting. Ensure proper integration with platform links. Since we're starting from scratch, we need to create a basic HTML file, create a JavaScript file, and then create the CSS file. Implement modern notification patterns with visual feedback. Okay, and it indeed created the HTML file. Interesting. Then there was a creation of the CSS file, and there was also the creation of the JavaScript file. Okay, so this is pretty interesting here because it creates all the code for you. And then it's saying modern responsive design with CSS animations, 4 notification types: info, success, warning, and error. Okay. Auto dismissal after 5 seconds, manual close buttons, smooth entrance and exit animations, demo controls, even mobile friendly design. Okay. Clean and maintainable JavaScript code using class-based architecture. It even knows about that. Review the code and create a pull request. Let's keep working together. And then you can move on and create a pull request. Wow. Okay. It created everything from scratch. And this is going to be a game-changing thing, especially with a debugging one. This is actually the code agent, and there will be a review code agent as well. But of course, you shouldn't be really relying on the AI agents that much. No matter how often you're going to hear about these stories, AI is going to replace this, AI is going to replace that, AI is going to do this, until that AI builds a building, all right, and does the thing that the current workers are actually doing. I'm going to say, yeah, who knows, one day AI will replace us, but don't believe those things that they're actually saying around. But there you have it. This was the showcase of the Rovo coding agent. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See ya. Bye.